we are. Rigo's finally here.
Finally.
Say hi, Rigo.
I got here late, but I got here.
Yeah, Rigo got here semi-late. The sun's still out, so that's good.
You have to make a fashionably late entrance.
Fashionably late my ass, yeah.
This is my first time at a gay beach party.
I know.
It's so much fun. Everybody's really nice and everybody smells good.
Because we smell like coconut tanning oil, as I'm told. Enjoy the peace, calming, shivering, quiet, calming of the... Wait, are they with us or are they somebody else? I don't even know. And I think Rigo's balls just shrank up in his...
They're about...
Oh my god, I lost my sunglasses again! Fuck, I just lost my sunglasses again! That's the second pair today!
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hold on, they should be up here.
No, they're gone. Rigo's trying to find my sunglasses. Oh, he found them! Oh my god, it's a miracle! It's a beach day miracle! Because I already lost one pair today.
Here, don't lose these.
I had them in my Speedo. Okay, there we go. I literally already lost one pair of sunglasses earlier today.
I feel like I should just jump to my body just to get it over with. Move that one over there in the costume.
Uh-huh.
So Rigo thinks that guy's hot. Yep, he looks like he's in his underwear.
Yeah.
I'm trying to stand on my tippy toes.
On your tippy toes?
Hold. Okay, I'm gonna head back to shore.
Okay, go get another drink. It'll help you when you come out here next time.
I heard ocean people are great.
Yeah. Go back to shore and get another drink. We're gonna watch you walk away. Do the walk of beach shame in your wet clothes.